face. And on the shot there, and that's going to be 2. Laurent takes the 4-2 lead, 1:23 remaining. And we'll see if Ortega starts opening up here, immediately taking ground. Last minute here. Takedown would give Ortega the lead on criteria. Scored her only shot off of a go behind. Last 40 seconds. Ortega has done a lot with that collar tie, but has not been able to fire anything off yet. Ortega's got one shot in her here. And Laurent looks ready for it. Excellent battle here by a couple young WCWA stars. And trying to catch that far ankle is Laurent, short time. And it looks like Jayden Laurent's going to hold on, and she'll make the 68 kilo finals. And looks like she gave a smile over to the King coaches as she was fighting off that last shot. She will take on Randy Belts tomorrow afternoon.